What's up, everyone? My name is Andrew, and welcome to episode 6 of
Fun with Music Theory! Fun with Music Theory!
Today we're going to be talking about the natural minor, which is one of 3 different types of minor scales. Now, the natural minor scale has 5 whole steps and 2 half steps, just like the major scale from our last episode. But instead of the last whole and half step being at the back, we're going to be placing them at the front like this. So the natural minor whole and half step order is whole, half, whole, half, whole. So just like the major scale, let's start off with our C natural minor. So our first note from our title is going to be C, just like here. I'll need my first whole step above C. I'm going to count 1, 2, gets me to my D. And then I'm going to need a half step above D, which is going to get me to E flat. Then from E flat, I need my second whole step. 1, 2, gets me to F. And then from F, I need another whole step. 1, 2, gets me to G. I need another half step. Gets me to A flat. I need another whole step. 1, 2, gets me to B flat. And then my final whole step, 1, 2, gets me back to C. In the C natural minor scale, there are 3 notes that are flat. The E flat, the A flat, and the B flat. For those of you who practiced building the major scales, starting with each note on the piano, you might recognize that E flat, A flat, and B flat are the same flats that are used in the E flat major scale. In the bass clef down here, I wrote out my E flat major scale. E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D, E flat. The term that's used when the notes in a minor scale and the notes in a major scale are the same, that term is what's called relative. The C natural minor scale is relative to the E flat major scale, and the E flat major scale is relative to the C natural minor scale. And that's true for every major and minor scale that have the same notes to one another. And just to segue from relative major and minor keys, there's another term that shows the relationship between major and minor keys called parallel keys. Parallel keys refers to the major and the minor scales that start with the same letter. And so the parallel to the C natural minor scale up here is the C major scale that I wrote out in the bass clef down here. And parallel keys are true for every major and minor scale that are paired together with that same letter in their title. Alright, that's all I got for this episode of Fun with Music Theory. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe for more videos to come. Thanks!